Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to take a proper measurement. This mannequin is going to serve as a person I'm going to use. Of course, you'll be needing your tape measure, also known as tape rule. Follow me as I show you how to do it. Your shoulder to your breast point. There are some garments or designs that require you to know how to take your breast point. There are some designs that you have to know your breast point. So your shoulder to your breast point. This is your shoulder to your under bust. Shoulder to your under bust. Then your shoulder to your waist. To your hip line. Your waist to your hip line. Your waist to your new line. And from your waist to the full length. Full length. Then your back measurement from here to here is your back measurement. Then for your armhole, you take your tape rule like this. Like this. It shouldn't be too tight to allow for movement of your hands. This is for your armhole measurement. Then, for your round under bust measurement, This is your round under bust measurement. Your round under bust measurement. Then your round under bust, your round under bust measurement. Your round waistline. Your round waistline. Your round waistline. Your round hip measurement. Your round hip measurement. Your round hip measurement. Then for your thigh, take your tape like this and measure your thigh. This is your thigh here. Measure your thigh. This is your thigh. This is your thigh. For your sleeve, you have the short sleeve, you have the elbow length of your sleeve, you have the 3/4, and you have the full sleeve, which usually stop at the wrist. So, for the short sleeve, you measure here. For the elbow, you stop here. For the 3/4, you stop here for your measurement. Then for the full sleeve, you stop at your wrist 9. Then you are going to take your round sleeve measurement. For the short sleeve, you measure here like this. For the elbow round sleeve, you measure like this. For the 3/4, you measure like this. Then for the round sleeve of the wrist, you measure like this. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like, as well as share my videos. Thank you.